Sa shirong, da dang, la long, de ma pi, ken shirong.
Yes,
Did
good.
you understand what I said?
Yeah, I understood.
Like exactly.
Are you ready
Yes.
to learn the new song, Khasi song?
Absolutely, as
So
always.
I want to ask, how is your feeling?
Difficult.
It's
Khasi is a little bit difficult.
it's challenging for you, right?
Yes, but as it said, practice make the man.
Perfect.
That's what.
Yeah.
So let's go and let's continue for this
Okay,
song.
let's
How it will come.
start it, nah?
Yes, definitely. Please.
Okay, start it with the name of the song is Day Mapi.
De ma pi.
Yes, you
What
know
means,
what it
yeah,
means?
what means de ma pi? You tell
Day
me.
Mapi means like it's you.
It's you.
Yeah, it's a love song.
Okay, so you are my love song.
Yeah, I'm your love, of course.
Yes.
Let's start.
Okay.
Okay, simpling.
Simpling.
Yeah.
Simpling.
Yeah, simpling.
Simpling.
Not
Got it.
pling, it's peling.
Simpling. Okay.
Simpling.
Ba.
Yes.
Ba is it's a little bit like a brother.
It's only B-A, not
Okay,
B-A-H.
Okay, ba. Simpling ba.
Hanyo.
Hanyu.
Yes.
Hanyu. Like a honey.
Hanyo, yes, like a honey. H.
Okay. Ha.
Hanyo.
And ha also you can say in Hindi like ha.
Yes,
Like
yes.
Okay, so hanyu.
Hanyo.
Ha.
Hanyo means 7.
7.
Yes. Hanyo.
Han-
Simpling means rainbow.
Rainbow.
Yes.
Wow, beautiful.
Okay, simpling ba hanyo? Wrong.
Simpling ba hanyu.
Wrong.
You know, rainbow actually means peace.
Yes, it's a piece, yeah.
It's a mark of peace. So, simpling ba hanyu.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Yes.
Like wrong, but wrong.
Wrong means color.
Wrong.
Yes, wrong. Eternat. Eternat.
Eternat.
Eternat.
Huh?
Eternat.
Up.
Ten.
Eten.
Yes.
Like 10.
Yeah. Eternat.
Not or not?
Yeah. Nut.
Not.
Yes.
Eternat.
Eternat.
Not. Okay.
Ha.
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 Ha. Yes.
Ha.
Jinglong.
Jinglong.
Yes. Jinglong. You put it together only because it's on the first line only.
Jinglong. So this is the first simpling. Actually, I should read. I'm not gonna sing because.
Just read
or
it.
should I sing? No, because I don't. Okay, Jinglong.
Yes.
Jing.
You say the full sentences from the beginning.
Simpling bahane.
Bahenyo.
Bahanyu.
Yes.
Haneyu. Simpling bahaneyu. Wrong. Itenat. Hat Jinglong.
Yes, good.
It's correct.
Yeah. Okay. Next
That's the
line.
first part. Next line.
Sa.
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 Not like sha.
Not
T,
sha.
T,
Not
T,
T. Not T.
Sha.
Not
Okay.
not sha. It's sa.
Sa.
Yes.
Okay.
Sa.
Shirong.
Yes.
Almost Shilong.
Yes. Shirong.
Shirong. Wrong.
Da.
Shirong.
Da.
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 Da. You know, da means in Russia it means. I think da is like yes. Da.
Is
da.
it?
Yes. Okay,
Okay.
so sa Shirong.
Da. Dang.
Dang.
Yes. Da.
So
Dang.
first da and then
Then come dang. Yes.
Da. Dang.
Yes. Dang.
Acha.
Dang. La. L-A-S. La. Long. Yes.
Like long. How long
Yeah.
is it?
How long?
How far away is India?
Yeah.
Da lang.
Da la long.
Long or lang?
First it's la long.
La long.
Yes.
Okay.
La
Okay, I
long.
got confused. Long.
Day.
Like day.
Yes.
Today is the day.
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 Ma pi.
Day ma pi.
Yes. Day ma pi.
Ma
Pi. Ken.
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 Yes. Ken.
Barbie and Ken.
Not Ken, but it's Ken.
Okay.
Ken.
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 Shirong.
Yes.
Again the
Shirong.
comes.
Yes.
Shirong.
Yes.
Oh, acha.
Okay. Then you read it now. That sentence is Sa Shirong.
Sha Shirong. From in the beginning.
Yes. Okay. You can start from the beginning.
Simpling ba hanerong itenat ha chilong. Sa Shirong dadang lalong de mapi ken Shirong.
Yes.
Did
good.
you understand what I said?
Yeah, I understood.
Like exactly.
Yeah, I understood.
Is it good or
You are a beginner, so you need to learn more. But
That's
at least being a beginner, you have learned so much. I really appreciate. P. Okay, honey. Now you start from the beginning.
Okay. Simpling ba heinirong itenat hachilong
Good.
sa shirong dadang lalong de mapi ken shirong.
Good.
Aladin.
Hadin.
Oh, hadin usiap ubala zau sibling simpling ru upaw. Did you understand?
Yes.
Dahanga ruken pilong. Simpling bashay rong de mapi.
Yes, very
That's
good.
We're gonna do the song.
Yes, of course. Let's
do the
go.
song.